Hi Sagittarians, this is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to take the day of 16th of October to the 25th of October. I'm going to take this time period for you to understand what energies will be affecting you in your general life. This is a general life reading. So many of you of the sign of Sagittarius in Sun, Sagittarius in Moon, Sagittarius in Venus or rising. Or people having multiple placements can watch this reading. So what is on your mind? You are gathering some information, or you are being given an information. Some talk is happening about truth. Some news gathering will take place which will be valuable for you. So that is the energy I am seeing. Some information, some communication will come to you which will be keeping you in a truthful situation. It could be delay of some kind. Some of you are going towards a new motivation with the Emperor card. This is going towards a leadership position, receiving news about that. Some of you could be taking control of your life. Some of you could be dealing with a father figure and you have found a way out. Some of you are going to get out of rules and restrictions in your life because you are finding a new path. So what is happening in the next 10 days? Some of you are going to be hanging on. Some of you are in voluntary sacrificial situation, hanging to something, or on pause. Some of you are on pause. You cannot take action because there is a delay in your delay because of rules, regulation and authority or permit. Something is delaying your process of money making, delaying your process of love. Something is delayed in your life. Passion could be delayed at this time. So there are some structures that you need to navigate through at this time. So 6 of Pentacles is the energy at this time. So this is money in balance with 7 of Pentacles. So 6 of Pentacles and 7 of Pentacles coming together mean that you will be helped by someone, or you could be helping out someone, or you could be getting reciprocal forces in your life in terms of your feelings or in terms of your abundance. But you do not want to rest. You want to make something out of a stagnant situation that could be in balance in terms of your finances, but you need to think of the next step. Now you have to think how to grow this money tree. I cannot survive on someone's doles. I cannot survive with money that has come as compensation. I have to move forward. Whatever I have accumulated, I don't want to use up. So I have to think of a new source of income. In terms of love, etc., it means that you are finding your relationship a bit stale. Some of you need to take a new chance, new love situation or new adventure, or something new has to be done in this love situation or living situation or job situation. So something has to be done. So many of you are challenged by the 9 of Cups. This could mean that you have wished for something and it is going to be fulfilled, but this was not the right wish. This was not the correct wish. Sometimes we get into mundane affairs and we wish for something which is not going to serve our purpose for long. So you could have wished for something which is not serving your purpose, or it could be that some of you are feeling unwell with eating or drinking. Some of you could be some of you might not be achieving the independence that you thought you will achieve with doing something. So that is the kind of energy I am seeing. So angels are saying that you will be in strength and hermit. So very powerful position. You will have the art of subtlety in handling situations that are difficult. So you will find some devious method, and you will be handling this situation with your power, of creation, with your power of patience, with your power of tolerance, and with some wisdom and reflection. Or you could be dealing with a Leo or a Virgo at this time. So the combination here could be that some of you have Leo in your chart or Virgo in your chart. So this will give you subtle deviousness, or you have to deal with someone who deals with you with some kind of quickness. Not quickness, it is some kind of diplomatic attitude. Someone is not coming out fully and not telling you what they are doing, so they are trying to be patient or tolerant in a situation. You could be dealing with such a person, or you have to bring in that tolerance and patience and go through with a struggle which is happening in your life or someone close to you. So there is a problem, argument, debate at this time with someone, or there are challenges on your path, competitors on your path, but you know the art of getting out of something with some devious methods, and you will be smart, you will be wise, you will be having your personal power to go through with a situation that is turning out to be other people's interferences or obstacles. So some of you will be moving away, deciding to go for a new goal in your life. You might not be telling everyone, and you will be taking this action, going away from disappointments. But what stops you is also the Sun card. Sometimes even if you have everything, you do not feel happy, or even if you have a situation that is working out for you, you lose trust, or there could be problems with your children at this time. Some of you could be having problems with health, so you will be recovering very fast. So the Chariot and the Wheel of Fortune is telling me things are going to change for you very fast. Something successful will happen with your willpower and your focus, and things will change for you. A movement forward will happen for you. Moving on is definite here. Some of you are getting out of a stuck situation and going towards a focused direction. You will find a direction. You will find a direction to become the Empress. Some of you are going to be dealing with a jealous person, or you could be becoming a bit jealous at this time because you are the Empress. You attract people, and you could be finding yourself in a situation in which you have to show your strength. So some of you will be showing your strength in career. Some of you will be focused to go in a certain direction, to find your abundance, to find your growth. Some of you are going towards it. It is happening in the next 10 days period, or you will have the epiphany regarding your new situation, because in any case the Ace of Wands is on your mind and Ace of Swords will come to you. The truth will be shown to you which was getting delayed, but the path will become clear to you. Some of you will be going towards it. You could be a very, very adaptable person with the Chariot and the Wheel of Fortune. You will be flexible. You will make your way towards something which was causing you obstacles, but you will be riding the Chariot and you will be crushing it under your feet, under your wheels, and going forward. With the King of Wands, I am seeing authority coming back. I am seeing leadership coming back. I am seeing the streak of entrepreneurship, the streak of being independent, becoming the boss. Boss energy is coming back to you. So what is your outcome? Outcome is help will be on the path. People will support you. You will have this guarded energy, trying to not get hurt in any circumstances, trying to be the leader and the triumphant person, so that you can proceed further. Some of you could be trying to maintain your positions in your organization. Some of you will be in this Leo energy of the King of Wands or Sagittarius energy of the King of Wands. You will be receiving help from people. People will be ready to work with you. They will appreciate your experience. They will give you job. They will give you work. That is what I am seeing, or support of other people will come to you. So a situation of 10 of Cups is brewing for you. Full happiness, full and final happiness can come to you. You are looking forward towards it with positive energy. So the passion is here to achieve the dream. The dream is there, the dream is possible, and you could see that how signs and signals are telling you that the dream is coming towards you. So don't wish for anything that is negative. Don't wish for things that cannot be achieved. So tone down and dream big. Yes, dream big, but step by step. So the hermit energy here comes to you to tell you to be strategizing to light your next step so that you do not fall again. And you could be going towards your 10 of cups. Some of you will be getting extreme love and happiness, or a good job at this time, or news about the job will come to you. 99.9% you will be getting it. Good business numbers can happen. Help will come to you. Someone will help you here, and you will be able to maintain your position as an entrepreneur, as a worker, as a father, as a mother, whatever it is. So angels are saying that you could be in Hierophant reverse. Some of you have not learned some lessons, so you could be going through a period of rules and regulations restricting you. Some of you could be feeling that I don't want to conform to a certain rule here. I want to get out of corporate. Some of you are thinking about leaving corporate. Some of you do not want the oppressive rules and regulations in organizations. So some of you want to be free of everything and start something on your own. Some of you will have to take a decision regarding a King of Swords, that is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, because what is happening is you are going through a tower moment and a heartbreak at this time. Something pulled the carpet from under your feet, something caused some kind of problem in your life, something broke your heart. So basically you are going to recover from that, and you are not listening to advice, or if you have listened to some advice, it was poor advice from people. So you will be taking a decision regarding a King of Swords, and you will be going towards your sun. The sun was in the weakness position, but now in the coming future you will be able to get to recovery. You will be able to, if you were not well, you will be going towards recovery. You will be taking advice. You could be speaking fluently, and you could be telling your truth to everyone, bringing out the problems in your life in the open. Some of you will be doing great oratory, but right now your situation is going through a shake-up and you are feeling heartbroken, but definitely you are going to heal very soon because of support of friends, family, colleagues, ex-colleagues. Everyone is going to chip in and give you what do you say, a good feeling. So you will have happiness very soon. The tower moment is coming to you to make you understand that what you need to leave aside and what you need to take forward. So for many of you right now, you are working very hard, or you worked very hard on something that did not give the results that you thought of. You could be dealing with a mature woman at this time. Some of you could be the mature woman, or in your life there is someone who could be beneficial for you. There is going to be an unexpected income source which can develop for you. There could be a false person around you or scheming people around you. Beware of them. So this is the energy I am seeing. And if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues in their career, money, or love situation or health situation can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are all encompassing. You can ask any questions. I give you my time, I give you my ears, and I give you advice at the tarot reading. So if you want such a reading, you just have to leave in a request in the comment box. I will let you know how to book my readings. And people who come back to my channel, some of you do not subscribe, please do subscribe, because your subscribing, liking, sharing sharing will help my channel to grow. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.